Hey guys, my name is Shoni HB, and today we are going to do the Get to Know Me challenge. So many things have been going on. Parents talking to me, dog barking, camcorder stops, and we have to redo it. We've done this like 7 times now. I've said that in the last 5 times, like the last 6 times. That this is like the 6th, 7th, 8th. I'm like, well, this is awesome. Yeah. Well, my sister's back there, and she's going to ask me questions about myself so you guys get to know me better. Question number 1.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. Like, I love this color. I love every shade of blue. Like, I don't like one. I like all. Question number 2.
Favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a panda. And I love pandas so much. 3.
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet, I don't have a favorite pet, but I have 2 pets right now. My dog Burlington, he's a Great Pyrenees, he's all white fluffy. And I have Eve, she's just a black cat, and she's awesome. Question number 4.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 5 siblings. I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers. So yeah, cool. Question number 5.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food, I like so much. Well, my most favorite one is probably going to be ice cream. I really, really, really like mint ice cream a lot. Mint ice cream and Blue Moon ice cream. So yeah, next question. Question number 6.
What is your favorite clothing item?
My favorite clothing item is probably this jacket or the other one I have, but I don't know what's that. So like, this is probably one of my favorites, but I don't have the other one, so yeah. Question number 7. 7.
What are some hobbies?
My hobby is art, like drawing and painting, and skateboarding or pennyboarding. Yes. So guys, that was the last question. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later.